Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a Slack workspace by using a direct invite link, which is the fastest way to bring your teammates into the conversation. Step 1. Open the invitation menu. In the 2026 Slack interface, the main invite controls are tucked right under your workspace's identity. Click your workspace name at the very top of the left-hand sidebar. This opens a drop-down menu with all your administrative and organizational options. From this list, select Invite People to Workspace Name. This will bring up a central window where you can manage how you want to add new members. Step 2. Generate and copy the invite link. While you can enter individual email addresses, using a shareable link is much more efficient for adding multiple people at once. Look for the Copy Invite Link button at the bottom of the invitation window and click it. Slack will instantly save a unique URL to your clipboard. In 2026, these links are highly secure. By default, they expire after 30 days and can be used by up to 400 people. You can now paste this link into a text message, a calendar invite, or a company-wide email to invite your entire team in one go. Step 3. What happens for the recipient? When your teammate clicks that link, Slack makes the onboarding process seamless to get them up and running. The action? The person clicking the link will be redirected to a sign-up page in their web browser. If they have an account, they'll simply click Join, and the new workspace will be added to their existing Slack app instantly. They'll enter their name and a password. Slack will then offer to open the desktop app or continue in the browser. Once they finish, they'll land directly in the general channel, ready to start chatting. And that's pretty much it. To join or invite others in 2026, click your workspace name at the top, select Invite People, and click Copy Invite Link. Once you share that URL, anyone who clicks it can authenticate their account and jump straight into your team's channels without waiting for a manual email invite. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.